In today's volatile and changing economy, are you taking the proper steps to ensure your family's future financial needs will be met? For years, many thought financial planning was a concept that only pertained to the wealthy. But today, money experts say financial planning is possible and accessible for every American family.
One of the most widespread misconceptions about financial planning is that a financial plan is intended for someone who is older and wealthier. And in fact, nothing could be further from the truth. The younger one begins the financial planning process, the more attainable the results, and the better the outcome at the end of the planning process. It's imperative for every family to consider what would happen if they would suddenly be without the income of one of the primary breadwinners in the family. And every family needs to ask themselves the question, will we be able to continue to live in our current home? Will my spouse be able to pay our bills? Will our children be able to get a college education?
It's very critical to plan for the unexpected, not only expenditures, but events that happen in life. And frankly, most people do not do that. But a little bit like running a business, you have to have a business plan, you also have to have a life plan. And life planning is more difficult because it's planning not only for the unexpected, but it's also planning for the expected.
Insurance products that can guarantee income are becoming highly desirable as a conservative option to the unpredictable stock market. And because of its many unique advantages, life insurance is re-emerging as one of the most flexible and valuable pieces in any long-range monetary plan.
The primary benefit of life insurance is the peace of mind it provides to the purchaser of the policy, knowing that income will be provided to his or her family on his or her death. The primary value associated with life insurance is the fact that the death benefit that is paid to those beneficiaries is, in most cases, many multiples of the premium that was paid for the policy.
Today's consumers are encouraged to work with a professional to establish a financial plan that includes a foundation of life insurance and a variety of financial products and services.
All investors need professional advisors, no matter how wealthy you are or how little amount of money you think you have. It's amazing how much you might be able to make with good investment decisions, and it's remarkable how quickly you can lose without having good professional advice.
Believing that financial strength is the cornerstone of our success, Western and Southern Financial Group provides life insurance, retirement planning, and investment products and services to millions of consumers nationwide so they can properly plan and protect their futures.
We're the only industry that can give you a guaranteed income for life through annuities and a guaranteed death benefit through life insurance. By combining these two, you enable people to not only live out their life to the fullest, but also to leave a legacy for their loved ones. If people start early enough, they can do both and do them well. We have our own family of mutual funds, our own set of life insurance companies offering different types of products, and our own annuity companies that offer different types of annuities. So we try to put it together so that the average client has a choice, but also has someone looking out for them. All of our business is basically sold one-on-one. And when you do it that way, the people get to know the people that they're dealing with, and the people they're dealing with represent one of our companies, and hopefully they do it very well.
This dynamic family of diversified financial services companies began in 1888 as the Western and Southern Life Insurance Company and later converted to a mutual life insurance company in 1948. Named to the Fortune 500 list in 2004 and every year since, Western and Southern is now one of the 9 strongest life insurance groups in the world, according to Standard & Poor's Financial Strength Ratings. Its 2009 total assets owned, managed, and under care are in excess of $44 billion. Western and Southern is also currently building Cincinnati's tallest skyscraper at 665 feet. And has served as the title sponsor of the Western and Southern Financial Group Masters since 2002 and the Women's Open since 2004.
When we got married, we decided back in 1968 that that's the company that we needed, Western Southern. And they're a good, sound, solid company. We trust them, we feel secure with them, and we knew what we wanted to set in place as far as our finances, whole life and financial planning with annuities, and then we purchased some other policies too.
Diane and I decided to go with a plan that included life insurance so that there would never be a financial burden on our two sons.
We are selling solutions one at a time to individuals. So when they ask about our financial security, it's very important for us to be able to report it's above reproach.
We are very happy with the service that we received. The agent even gave us his personal cell phone number to call him anytime we had any questions. So when we decided to go with the annuity with Western Southern, I called him, and he was actually on vacation, and he still took time to set up an appointment, and he did a terrific job, and we consider him a close personal friend.
We do prefer the small branch offices, and we have visited 2 of them on a regular basis, and we find them very cordial, very willing to help us. Even if we phone ahead of time, they're ready. They do not place us on hold for any length of time. They get right back with us with our answers, print out any papers we may need when we do arrive. I just can't say enough about them. They just feel like family and just great people. They do their job. I would highly recommend Western and Southern Financial Group to anyone out there looking to plan their future, their retirement, feel secure with their money. When I go to bed at night, I do not have to worry about maybe something's going to happen, that company's going to fold. I have no thoughts like that. My money's secure. I know they're sound. They've been around a long time.
The benefits of a company's financial strength go beyond dollars and cents. Western and Southern's civic and community involvement makes it a champion in its hometown and a leader in its industry.
Queen City Square is sort of a dream come true. All of us in our company wanted to build a meaningful building for downtown Cincinnati, which is a very vibrant downtown, by the way. And I think that by the time the building opens in early 2011, it will be 100% leased. Very successful project at a time when people said you can't build office buildings. As we expand our focus and do more financial planning and more solutions as opposed to products in our portfolio, knowing that the company that backs them up is so secure is monstrous, especially to people in the individual market, which is basically all of what we do. We are going to be among the strongest, if not the strongest, companies in the financial services world, providing the opportunity for people to have financial solutions for their own selves. And in order to do that, we're going to help them plan their financial future. We think that everybody, no matter what the income strata is, needs a financial plan, and it needs to be updated with some frequency. So what we want to do is be the company of choice when people are thinking about their financial futures.
A realistic financial plan is achievable for everyone, and life insurance should be the foundation of that plan. Contact Western and Southern Financial Group. Serious financial security. For more information, go to westernsouthern.com or call the number on your screen.